Hi, Scott doing at MarineMax here in Lewisville, Texas, and we're going to take a look at a 2020 Harris 250 Sunliner. All right, so this boat's in fantastic condition. 183 hours on it at the time of this filming. So wraparound seating in the front, upgraded JL audio, so JL speakers in the front, JL transom speakers, JL speakers back here in the L bench, as well as a subwoofer with amplifiers. This one's also going to have LED lighting in your cup holders and in your seat bases. Large in-floor ski locker. There is a spot for a flip-up changing room if somebody wanted to put one on board. Elevated helm, really nice. We got tall guys standing in front of you or sitting in front of you. You sit up here, see over top of them. It works really well. 5-inch Simrad screen for chart plotter, downscan sonar, fish finder, forward-looking nav, GPS. I mean, it does everything for you, and it's really nice. Again, JL audio on the head unit. This boat does have a Mercury 225. It is a fully digital throttle, so there is no cable connecting your throttle to your engine. It's all done electronically. And because it's electronic, this one's also going to have Mercury active trim. So your tilt and trim is going to be done automatically for you while you're underway at least. L bench seat back here in the back. Removable table. Harris doesn't drill holes in the floors anymore for the table. It's all on a mount, on a mount that you can just take off and move wherever you like. Flip-flop backrest, so if you were pulling kids on the tubes or skis, you can flip it like this. That way you can face the back of the boat. Nice built-in storage underneath your back deck. It's also where most people stow their covers, stuff like that. This boat does have the blackout rail, so it will have a matching black bimini top, and this does have the double bimini. So when the bimini's in the upright position, it'll shade from here all the way to the very front of the boat. So really nice boat. Almost half off of what these things cost new, so really good opportunity for someone to pick up something on the dime. So if you got any questions about this or any other ones, pick up the phone and give me a call. I'd love to talk to you. You can give me a call directly on my cell. That number is 301-501-7123. Thanks a lot. I'll talk to you soon.